Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 word chapter 4 cumulative cattle. Basically this is the fourth chapter of word section of Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step for you, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email and you can hire me for your courses. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So at start of the instruction, you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So once you will go through this project description, you will understand this assignment well, and then this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is project step to complete this project, and total steps to complete this project are 18. So we are supposed to solve 18 questions or 18 steps to get this project done. I will solve step by step and you are simply supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's start with step number 1 of the assignment. Start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 4 Cumulative Cattle. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Display non-printing characters. So first of all, we are supposed to open this Word document, and in this Word document we will solve all the questions, we will apply all the instructions to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So I have already downloaded this Word document, and you can download this Word document from your course dashboard. So step number 1 of the assignment is just about downloading of this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So I have solved step number 1. So now let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 is saying select the review tab and ensure the view is all markup. In the right margins on the page 1, locate the indication that the word can foster word deleted. Click on either of those words in the indication box. Click the reject arrow in the changes group and select reject and move to next. Delete the words often fostered in the first paragraph on page 1. Change the view on the review tab to no markup and ensure that the modified sentence read correctly with the words can foster instead of often foster. Change the view to simple markup, accept all the changes and stop tracking. So first of all, we will go to Word document and then go to review tab. And here it is saying that we are supposed to make sure that the view is all markup. So from here, we are supposed to make this all markup. Okay, now click either foster or often, then go to review tab again, and in tracking click reject and move next. Okay, now it is saying after rejecting that, then it is saying click the reject arrow in the changes group and select reject and move. Delete the word often foster in the first body paragraph on page 1. Often foster. 1 second. Okay, so we have rejected the change. Now it is saying we are supposed to make the markup to no markup. Click no markup here. Okay, so now it is saying we are supposed to read the sentence as change the view to simple markup. Now make it to simple markup. Okay, then the sentence should read can foster okay, so change the view. Okay, accept all the changes and stop tracking now. Okay, now click on tracking and click accept and click accept all the changes and stop tracking. Okay, this option. Okay, and make it to no markup. Okay, so that is all about step number 2. So now let's move to step number 3 of the assignment, that is ensure that the writing style is APA. Apply the following formatting to whole document. So first we will go to the document and go to review tab, reference tab, and from here we will make sure that the style is APA, this one. Then we are supposed to make these changes to document. Document is double spaced. There is no paragraph spacing before or after any paragraph. Margins are 1 at top, bottom, left and right. Alignment is left. So first of all, we will select all the text in the document. After selecting all the text in the document, just click on the home tab and then click this arrow in the paragraph section to open the paragraph dialog box launcher. So now line spacing, we are supposed to make it double. So make the line spacing to double. So spacing before and after all the paragraph should be 0. So now you can see that the spacing before is 0, but the spacing after is not 0. So we are supposed to make it 0 as well. Click OK. Now next thing it is saying margins are 1 at top, bottom and left and right. So we will go to layout tab, go to margins and click custom margins. Okay. So now you can see top margin is 1, bottom margin is 1, but the left margin is 0.5 and the right margin is 0.5. So we will make it to 1 because all the margins top, bottom, left and right should be 1. So we will make this 1 as well. Okay. Now we are supposed to select all the text again and we are supposed to apply the alignment, that is align left. So on home tab in the paragraph section you can see different alignment options: align left, center, right and justified. So we will select align left, this option. So that is all about step number 3 of this assignment. So where we were supposed to make some changes to the document. So we are done with step number 3. So now let's do step number 4. Click before the period that ends the second sentence in the second paragraph, ending with in beef cattle. Click before the period that ends the second sentence in the second paragraph. So second paragraph is this. So second sentence is here and ending here. So we are supposed to click before the period after the word beef cattle, this one. So click after the beef cattle. Then it is saying insert a citation to news source. So now we are supposed to insert or add a news source. So that is corporate author. So we will click on reference tab and go to insert citation and click add new source. And we are supposed to add a new source that should be article in periodical. So we will select article in periodical here. Okay. So now first thing that we are given, that is corporate author, that is Institute for Bovine Research. Bovine Research, Institute for Bovine Research. Okay, corporate author. So we will check this box and here we will type corporate author. Okay, we are supposed to type the corporate author here. So you can simply type here or you can copy from the instruction sheet as well. So we are supposed to enter the corporate author here. Then we are supposed to insert the title, that is BRD and cattle. BRD, okay, sorry. BRD and cattle, okay, then colon, BRD and cattle, then colon, and then what you should know. What you should know. You should, oh sorry. You should know. So BRD and cattle, what you should know, that is the title. Okay. Then next thing that we are supposed to enter, that is periodical title is agriculture today. So periodical title we will type here agriculture today. That is the periodical title, agriculture today. Okay. Then year is 2023, month is October. 2023 October. Okay, then day is given, that is 18 and pages are 26 up to 34. 18, 26 up to 34. So we have entered all the information to create this new source. So now we will click OK. So now you can see that we have inserted a new source here after the word beef cattle, and that is all required in step number 4, where we were supposed to add a new source to the document. So now we are going to do next step of the assignment, that is step number 5. Okay, step number 5 is saying click before the period that ends the first sentence on page 2, ending in is survived. So let me go to page 2. This is page 2, and we are supposed to click before the period that ends the first sentence on page 2. So is survived here. This one, so we will click before the period here. Okay, after clicking before the period, it is saying insert a citation to the United States Department of Agriculture source. So we are supposed to insert a citation here to the United States of Agriculture. So go to insert citation, and from here we will select the second source, that is United States Department of Agriculture. Click that one. So we have inserted a citation here, that is United States Department of Agriculture. That is the citation that we are supposed to insert here. Okay. Okay, that is all about step number 5. So we have completed 5 steps so far. So now let's do next step, that is step number 6. Click the Institute for Bovine Research citation shown in the second paragraph on page 1. Okay, let me see this citation. Bovine Research citation on page 1. 1 second. Oh, this one. Okay, we are supposed to select this citation. Then it is saying edit the citation to include page 31. So we will click this arrow and we will select this, that is edit citation. And here we will select the pages, that is 31. So now it will show the page number as well, that is page 31. So that was required in step number 6 to edit this citation to show the page, and page number was 31. So we have shown the page as well, and that is all about step number 6. So now let's do step number 7. Click after the period that ends the fourth sentence in the last paragraph on page 2, ending in and exhibits symptoms. Ensure that the insertion point is after the period. So now we are supposed to click after the period that ends the fourth sentence in the last paragraph on page 2. So this is the last paragraph in page 2 and the fourth sentence that ending with exhibits symptoms. Let me look for that. Exhibit symptoms. Exhibit symptoms. Sorry, this is the first page. Let me go to the last page. Okay. Exhibit symptoms, this one. So we are supposed to click exhibit symptoms, we are supposed to click after the period. Okay. So I have clicked after the period. Noticing, ensure that insertion point is after the period. Insert a footnote that reads a diagnosis of BRD will be confirmed by attending veterinary. So a diagnosis of BRD will be confirmed by attending veterinarians. So we are supposed to insert this as the footnote. A diagnosis of BRD will be confirmed by attending the veterinarians. Okay, so now click reference tab and click insert footnote, and we are supposed to type this text here. So a diagnosis of BRD will be confirmed of BRD will be confirmed by attending veterinarians. Okay. Okay, and a period. So this is the text that we are supposed to insert a footnote text here. So I have inserted that footnote text. Okay, in this video I have solved 7 steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses. I will produce A grade for you in your courses throughout your degree program, and you will be free from this course, and I will be doing for you. Thank you so much again.